Okay, let's do some programming. Today I'll code and code, and that will lead to a lot of money. Let's go. Let us begin. Okay, first question. Program to take n number of elements and display in reverse order. Ha! So simple. Anyone can do it. Just take input, store, and print in reverse. Easy peasy. Yes, got it, baby. Alright, next question. Program to take n number of elements and sort them in n log n time. Whoa, that is a big jump from the last question. Well, if we have to sort in n log n time, the only way I see it is quicksort. Quicksort, selecting a pivot element which is to be placed in the correct order where terms behind it are lesser and ahead are bigger. Then partition into two halves and repeat the process over and over again. Using Master's theorem, the time complexity is n log n. Okay, let's code it. Okay, coding done. Now, of course, we should make sure that all the brackets are closed. See, that could have caused an error, but I am smart. Running now. What? How is the solution wrong? Let me try it on local IDE. Yeah, I'm making a new language.